Hi Craft Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with a purchase order from Mindless Crafting. I've already trimmed off the top part of the envelope, so we're going to see what's in it. Okay, and it's these two 6x6 paper pads for either Memorial Day, 4th of July, any holidays that come with red, white, and blue. And it is from Bella. You can see right here. And this is called God Bless America. I like the antique fire truck. This is all going to be used in the project. From here, I'm going to use these strips, this piece here, and all the little pieces in between. Now, they are double-sided. So, we're going to get started. I have two of the books, so I'm only going to show one. And it does repeat itself, I believe. We'll see. Here's this one, the fireworks. You know, here's some stars. I like this one. It has the little rockets on the side of the, I don't know what they call it. The little decor there. And here's this one with just red. And here's the Star Spangled Banner music paper. Some more stars. Some more fireworks, rockets. Red, oops, it's coming apart already. Red and white stripes. Some red and white banners with 4th of July written here and here. Then we have some paper that has words on the back. This paper pad's coming apart every time I turn a page. We got red, white, and blue flowers here. Some like plaid here. The U.S. flags. Another page with words. More plants with rockets and flags. Well, these are flags, no rockets. Flags inside the plants. Here's some black, blue, navy blue, and polka dots. Every page I turn, it comes out. Here's some cut aparts. Here's the antique fire truck from the cover. An Adirondack chair. An antique sewing machine with a dress form. Proud to be an American, yes. And it's plain blue on the back. And we have all of these here. And it's red polka dots. I'm telling you, every time I turn the page, it comes out. Then we have these banners here. Then we have the plaid here. I like how they have these here. And you can use them, cut them out to put them on the top or bottom of cards. Then we have this one here. These are really cute. And then it just repeats itself. All the rest is all repeat. I don't like the idea that it comes apart. So I'm going to have to find a way to store these to where they don't come apart. Fall out of the book. But I got two of these from Mindless Crafting. I will try to link the website down below. And so y'all can go ahead and purchase this. And they have it at reasonable prices. They also make polymer stamps. She has pens. She has 12 by 12 paper pads. And many different items in her shop. So go on over and check her out. They also have a Mindless Crafting YouTube channel. I will also try to link that down below. And as always, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell down below. And get notified of when I upload more content. And as I always say, please be safe, stay crafty, stay safe, be kind, be loving, be respectful, and always happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.